For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manns. I want to take a look at a trade that we did this morning in the first hour trading pit. This was for May 11th, 2017. Now this is in Apple Incorporated. This is from your Nasdaq Scalper trading plan. And I bring this up because you bootcamp guys tend to focus so much on the Baltimore chops and the planned trades from the around the horn trades first thing in the morning that this gets overlooked a lot, and it's really a bread and butter setup just about every day of the week. And we see that on the plan we had entries from 153.44 with a target at 153.15, 153.15 down to 152.84, and 152.84 down to 152.53. And remember from boot camp that the purpose of looking at the pre-market on these setups is to determine whether or not Apple is trading above one of the entry levels. So in this case, we would have had to see trade above 152.84 in order to have a trade placed right at the opening bell. So we see that that didn't happen. And instead, what we were looking for then was the move after the bell, right? So we're looking to see what happens as the stock begins trading. And in this case, we had to move right up to the 153.10 central pivot. That was followed by a move higher. And once we got up to 153.44 and above, we had that inverted check mark entry that I like so much on these. Got you back down through 153.44. First target on this one, 153.15. So as this comes in and gets down below 153.15, when it comes back up, our trailing stop, 153.15, takes us out. Then we get another inverted checkmark entry at 153.15. This one gets down to 152.84. And once again, if you just stuck with the trade, then you made it all the way down to 152.53. If you waited for this move back up above after an exit at 152.84, you still wound up with a move down to 152.53. Then we had another move higher, and you can see here we had the inverted check mark again, called this in the room as well, came down 152.84, clean shot down to 152.53. You'll recall we did a lot of money management stuff on the way. We moved the stop to break even when we got 50% of the distance to the target. We were looking at volume by price data up here at 152.93. That was where we were placing our initial stop. And then, as you can see, it came down, and after the first hour trading pit had already closed at 10:30, had another move up to that 152.84 level, and a move that is right now coming back down into 152.53 for a second time. And it looks like we may get the print in a few moments here. But in any case, I want to make sure that you guys are focusing on all these strategies because there's a lot of opportunities out there every day. And part of what I want you to do is focus on the opportunity that we planned the night before, whether it's on your trading plans or mine. You all came to boot camp to learn how to put together plans. So between what I'm giving you and what you're doing on your own, you should have lots and lots of opportunities in front of you every day. And you should keep focused on that broader set of opportunities and not just lock in on one thing like the Baltimore chop. I know those are fun to trade, but there's other stuff that we do that gets you in front of really good setups, and you shouldn't lose sight of any of those. So there you have it. I'm looking forward to seeing many of the alumni in Miami Beach. If you're going to be new to this boot camp, I am looking really forward to meeting you, and I hope that you are starting to go through your Income Trading Academy materials and getting ready, laying the groundwork for what we're going to be doing in Miami. But if you have any questions, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. I hope you had a great trading day today and an even better one on deck for tomorrow. It's the best trader education anywhere, only from traderinsight.com.